Good morning and welcome to follow along our 4th day in Corsica. We start off our day with some breakfast at our new favorite cafe. This boat ride had one stop before Saleccia. We already visited here 2 days ago and had a wonderful time. So, if you want to see more footage from Lotu beach, we highly recommend to check out that video. But now is the time to go to Saleccia.
This 1,200 meters long sandy beach with clear blue water is definitely worth your time to visit. The easiest way to get here is by boat, and there are a few taxi boat services which you can choose from.
When we arrived at the beach, there was quite a lot of jellyfish in the water. It said that the sting might be quite painful, and I didn't want to find out if that was true. So it's good to be careful and keep your eyes open. Luckily, these fellas don't really move that fast. We started walking to the restaurant near the beach. To get a break from the sun, we chose a forest trail which we thought was really beautiful.
We shared a hamburger and I guess we accidentally ordered the dish with some mashed potatoes, which kind of surprised us, but it was okay.
I guess we go this way.
After lunch, we headed back to the beach.
It was our time to head back to Saint-Florent. Linda's hat flew off on the way back and the captain was kind enough to stop and grab it out of the water. Big thanks.
Before dinner we had some spare time to wander around the town and enjoy the July atmosphere. Since we're on holiday, of course we have to have a drink as an appetizer.
I ain't sharing my dessert with this bee. Only with my love. Maybe. What a wonderful day. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. See ya!